Once upon a time, there was a goddess, graceful in presence, limitless in thought, a mind that carried the weight of wisdom and the beauty of clarity. Her name was Athena.
Happy 21st birthday to you, Athena!
I don't care about the tides! Tell Poseidon I make the rules!
Wow, did not expect that. Okay, moving on.
Oh, you're beautiful. And what's this?
Wow, this is otherworldly. Mom's box.
Every year, her disappeared mother sends this box, and every year it's empty, but this year, something was off.
Soon you will encounter your destiny.
I wanna break free. I wanna break free.
They're coming with the purple cheese! Don't look now, your nose is clean!
Where do you come from? Who sent you?
Hello, Miss Majesty. Your father Zeus sent us. I am Joel, he is Campaign, and he is Al Dente.
I don't want you around, what the helly? Go back to your houses, you have day off, fully paid.
We are sorry, but we can't leave you.
Zeus orders. Okay, little gnomes. When are you thinking on leaving, then?
Mises, we will be with you until eternity. Your father told us to take care of you your entire lifetime since you were...
We have a really serious deal with him. Adult matters.
I was grabbing some snacks, and I sneeze. By the way, really good strawberry cake. Ate it all. Thank you, Majesty.
Amen to that. It was my birthday cake.
So what do you think about the party? Do you like it?
What do you mean if I like it? This is lovely. I am so happy for you.
Come here, I need to show you something ASAP.
Where do you think you are going? Are you going to break the law? Not on my watch.
Are we just going to ignore the fact that you have been eating all my fridge and that is why you are 10 times the size of your friends?
Those gnomes, why are they following you everywhere?
Since today. I woke up this morning and they were standing in my room out of nowhere. They told me they will stay with me until eternity after my 21st birthday. But how? Palace, I am leaving this place. Are you absolutely sure about this? My mother contacted me. For the first time in 21 years.
Is she alive?
Athena, the destiny is already written. But it is your job to find it.
This is only the beginning.